Boisterous Wins, Episode 2. Subtitle of this one is Voices of People Seeing the Wind. Let's go to work. Let's address seeing wind, because this in itself has become the greatest challenge. And in all actuality, we really can't see wind, but then again, we can. We have misplaced wind with the outside elements versus the voices of people that blow. But wind is more of something that we can feel, hear, and experience. And the experience is that of what wind causes, such as wind has the ability to cause a calming, cooling spirit. And that's just two examples of good. But it also has the ability to cause chafing, drying, and cutting, and blistering, and fear, and doubt, if it has the potential of entering into you, attaching itself to you, touching you. And that's considered the bad. In other words, boisterous winds are powerful elements of this world, both physical and spiritual. But it is absolutely up to us to choose which wind wins. Let it sink in. It becomes our personal internal battles that determine how we see this thing. Whether it's invisible air or visible people with voices. I'd pause on that one, but hopefully somebody got it. When we're comfortable in recognizing this and we decide to come back to our senses, one wind will cease and the other wind will claim itself victorious. Food for thought. It's you that's in control of what you hear. Ouch, guilty. Boisterous winds are nothing more than boisterous people. It's that simple. It's that easy. Learn to leave them with their very own voices, especially if what you hear from them is their fear being placed on you. It's the wind that is designed to potentially hold you back. Spiritual poetry. Boisterous winds, voices of people. Don't let this one knock the wind out of you.